you believe it? I got 2 million, then I said adios. I had to say goodbye, and this little rap is to tell my fans why. No, it wasn't because my friend told me to. Y'all know very well what to say I don't do. And the reason is simple. I started tweeting about pimples. I stopped living for moments and started living for people. Yeah, you're right what you're doing, but who really cares if I'm playing with Noah or just doing my hair? Everything that I type and everything that I do, all those same gossip sites take it and they make it news. I want my private. I'm done trying to please. I ain't living for tablets, no, I'm living for me. No more emo folks and make you with Demi. Yeah, I'm done with all that, and the truth is I'm too busy. Yeah, I gotta admit, I'm the same cook sweet, and I really like looking at Katy Perry and Britney. I might have some withdrawals, I was a little obsessed, but I'm peacing out, and I'm leaving with this. Goodbye.